Today is Monday, the 24th day of November 2025, and it's about 11:58 in the morning. That is the Goliad Courthouse, and this is the square around it. And I'm starting this video here so you can see we're going to walk back to the Goliad State Park, which is where we're camped at. And if you turn around from that courthouse and come over here to Market and Fannin Street, and you see that beautiful yellow house over there, we've always loved that. But if you just catty corner right here, I'm going to show you where this trail is. We've come to Goliad a number of times and I've never noticed this. It's right down here at the end of this street, right in front of us, right down there where it looks like it dead ends. It don't dead end. Let's get down there and I'll show you some stuff. Okay, we're almost down to the end, and you see this big, gigantic, gorgeous tree, and right over here is another one that can pretty much match it, just a little smaller version. Anyway, this building here on the right is the Boy Scout Community Center, okay. And the park where you can play disc golf right over there where we've played it a couple times. Anyway, here's the trail. It actually starts on this little boardwalk here. So here's the little information about Angel Goliad Hike and Bike Trail right there. And then you see we just start right here. There are a number of bridges and a number of cool, neat things I want to show you here if you'll come along with us. I see that goes all the way down through there after it wraps back and forth a couple of times. Kind of a good way to start it, huh? So you see it just goes back. Alright, so my last battery just died, so we're going to start back right where it died at, okay? So if we just come around here, and then we got one more turn here, and this right over here, before I leave this is the park. It's called Branch River, I think is what it's called. It's where we play disc golf at. It's a 9-hole course. Anyway, this goes right on down through here, and it's on pavement. And then it ends right down there, okay? Alright, so you see this is the end right there of this first one, and right up there is a next bridge. So we'll get over to that and show you that. You know, this one here is probably the shortest bridge on the whole trail, but you can see it's actually made out of iron or steel, whichever they're using here. And just show you a little bit down through there. And look at this side, there's some water down there. Let me get you up this way. So there's some water and we're up pretty high. But this is about the only metal, and there might be one more, can't remember. But all the rest are all wooden. So a neat little thing to see. Alright, so here's another bridge. So we're already to our third one. You can see it's asphalt on the ground and then all wooden rails all the way up through here. And it goes on for a ways, and there's several of these that are really long actually. So I'll show some of those to you. Probably do a time lapse on one of them. Alright, so right here you see we're leaving the asphalt, getting onto where it's wood flooring as well. So now it's total wood, as you can see throughout. There's some neat little trees in here, but this is the boardwalk going through here, and then you see it goes up there and ends. And then we'll get to some much longer ones though. But look how that goes down back up. Ain't that kind of neat? Alright, so not too far off that bridge we just came off of, you see this big old iron bridge here. It looks like a train trestle to me, but I think it is old rusty, and obviously you can see it ain't in use anymore. But here, as we go around down this way, I can get you a little bit of a different point of view of it. Yeah, over in here you can see pretty good side shot from there. That's that part. So here's our next bridge, and they got a couple little benches built in right there where you can sit down if you get tired. And this one goes a long way. It warps back and forth through here. I'm going to do a time warp on this one, and you'll be able to see it and walk through it with us, but at a very fast motion. So that's the next one. Okay, now I've had to stop the time warp for just a moment, just to bring you see the river down there, and if you look at that really close, you'll see how fast it's running. Then the other cool thing, look at this tree and all these limbs. I mean, we're up here in this tree level. I mean, the trunk goes down through there a ways, and look at all those limbs. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let's get back to our time warp, okay? Alright, right here we come off the pavement and onto a brand new bridge. So you see it goes up a little ways here, and if there's anything else interesting on it, I'll show that to you. But just want to introduce you to the bridge and the palm tree through there actually. Okay, now check out this tree here. Look at all of these prickly pear up here in this tree hanging down. Look at these here. Look at that. I mean, that's crazy, growing completely out of that tree and out of itself. Then over on this side, there's that right there. And look up there. And you can see the trail down there. That's how high up these are. Isn't that a cool little feature? Alright, let's keep going to the next one. Okay, now if we don't come too far, and look at all these prickly pear all through here. Some of those babies have got some big thorns. Look at that. Oh yeah, Thorn City. Oh yeah, took pictures of this on the way up. Check this out. We're calling this the Dipper. Look, there's water and leaves and stuff in there. Yeah, show it to you from the side. Come around this way. Isn't that neat? I like how that looks. And there it is as a top-down view. It's just like a big gravy bowl or something, right? And then we got all these right here. And look at these. Look at these thorns. My goodness gracious. Yeah, I don't want to get pricked by any of those pears. And then yeah, look here. That little flower thing is down there. All purplish, and I'll show you a bunch more of them on up through here. Okay, so right now on both sides of the track, look at this. And look at all these little purple things here. Check that out. There's some back through there. I mean, they're all over the place. Right here is a big one. And right down there, that's a big one there. And then see, over on this side of the track, we got this stand sticking out. And then back to this side, look, I mean, this is a huge stand of these things. So many of them. Very cool. And then I'll show you some more in a second. Alright, we're just a little bit off the trail, but look at those. And look at this gigantic stand right here. And look at all these purple things, I think, turned into flowers. I mean, the more you look, the more you'll see. There's an absolute ton of these. There's 3 right there together. There's a whole stand of them right there. Look how red that one is. It looks like a strawberry. More back through there. Look all up through here. And then look here. This is the biggest stand of them that I think I've seen in all of these. There's one even on the ground down there. Look how shiny that looks. Oh my god, yeah, that's wet. Okay, that is cool. And see, there's more back here. And look at the big thorns. And see, Those down there. There's one there. There's one right there. A lot of white ones down there. You see it's dying. And then out here. And right here, we're back to the trail. And look at this set over here. I'm going to walk around these big weeds right here. But here, let you look at those. And look here as I come around. First of all, I want to show you this stand of these. And you see some purple ones in there. There's one back there. There's one in there in the middle of that one. There's several back there in the back. But look at this. Here's another tree. And you see all the pricklies down at the bottom on the ground. But check this out again. Up in the tree. Growing up there and growing down. How absolutely cool is that? And look, I mean, these go all the way around this tree. And then a bunch of pricklies over here. There's a bunch of the purples again. Look at this. I've not come this far out before, so this is all new to me as well. Look at that. I mean, that's a ton of those things. And over here, there's a whole bunch back in there. Look at all these purple all the way through here. So you see they are self-sustaining. And then right back here in this corner, check this out. We've got this old gnarly tree. It's got a palmetto there, right at the base of it. All these pricklies around it. And here, let's just go all the way around the tree. And right back over here, we got all these prickly pear, and there's a palmetto right there in the middle of that. Check that out. All right, now right across the street, the road right over there, is the Welcome to Goliad sign right through there. Here, you might be able to see it just a little bit better. I'll bring you out here. And right there is the sign. I'll try to zoom in on it just a little bit while I'm talking here, just so you can see that sign. So hopefully you've seen it now. And we are going to move on to our next spot, okay? Hope my voice comes to this wind is strong. Right over there, I think it's the barracks, or, you know, the living quarters or whatever it was. It used to be of the old, what they call these things, not presidios, but missions. Yeah, missions. I'll show you a little bit more of this, but you can see the archway. There's a cross on top of it. I'll get right down here and get you a cleaner shot. We are inside the state park, in case you don't know that. This is the big attraction in the park. And I've taken video of this before, actually, but you can see how the whole thing is white. You see the various crosses and things on it. So that's that. Here, that'll give you a good shot of the whole thing right there. Alright, so that'll work. So let's keep going. Alright, so right here, this is the road to the park, and this here is the trail. As I turn to my left, right out there's the main road out there, 77 and all that, and that's the entrance right there at the wall. And as I turn completely around, that white building right down there, that's the headquarters building. That's where you check in at when you come here. But since we're already checked in, we don't have to worry about it. And then you can see the trail just keeps on going this way. It's all paved still, which the whole thing is, so you don't have to worry about that. If you're worried about muddy conditions, rainy, you know, that sort of thing, you can walk it and not worry about any of that. So as we get through here and see a few more interesting things, I'll bring those up. Okay, so for our side, we're just about done with this trail. You see, you can come down here, comes up under this bridge, it goes under the road there that the road is on top of. Actually, we go under the road, what I'm trying to say. Anyway, take that'll take you right back up driving to the front of the park where we just came from, to the main office and all that area. And here I just wanted to show you, once we get from under this bridge, that the trail continues right here, and this will take you down to Zaragoza's house, and where the James Fannin Memorial is, and where all of his men got killed at and got buried. So there's the trail there. You see that goes on up, but we're going to follow the road down to the end. So this will probably be the end of the video. So if it is, I'll just see you on the next video. But if there's another clip, well, then I'll explain that when we get to it. So it's going to be something pretty neat, okay? But take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next video.